So now I'm going to show you how to put an M-Lok rail on the KS7 here. It's going to come with these screws and this end piece, and you're going to put the screws in here. And you're going to screw this on here. And you just want to do like 2 turns because you want it nice and loose, right? So that it fits into the grooves here, okay? And then you want to give a slight turn. See how it's turning? You want it so it catches right there. I'm going to pull up here as much as I can and tighten it down. So now this middle screw, so you see how it's turned right there? So I'm actually going to hold this up and screw down at the same time. Okay, it's feeling pretty good. Because there's so much power, I just really want to make sure that these screws are in place and holding on, but I am dying to test this out.